Wednesday, you guys. I had a really busy morning doing some client works and went to the gym and just came back, shower really quick, drinking my protein shake, and I am currently just getting ready for a discovery call, writing down some notes, questions that I want to ask. I usually have a template questionnaire that I have for leads, but I want to do a little bit of homework. Any leads that come in, I always do a homework to just get to know their business a little bit. Of course, I'm gonna ask them to know more, but that's what I'm currently doing right now, and it's such a beautiful day, so I might take a bit of a walk after this call and still have a few things to do before the end of the day. In fairness, ang ganda ng makeup ko today. Hindi ako masyado nag-makeup. Ano lang yan, like concealer, tapos blush lang.
Buti ikaw, nag-makeup ka pa.
Blush lang, tapos ano.
Nagmuta lang ako kanina. Saan na nakarating na.
Wala pa kang mascara yan eh, brows lang.
Sabi ko kanina, alam mo nung bago ako sa Canada, hindi ako lumalabas ng hindi nakaligo. Ngayon, nagmumuta na lang ako.
Oh my goodness. Hindi kasi nag-pick up ako ng donuts.
Focus so good.
Oh wow.
On anything.
Wow. Which one should we try?
I don't know what to do. So I can focus what you can say.
Ayo.
That's
Okay.
my animal. It's focusing thing.
What is this?
Ow.
How about we have this for dinner?
Okay.
What is
I wanna
this? Is it a
try.
different flavor?
Daddy really wants to try that.
This one, you know, this one is good for putting on top of the rice. This.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
It's
Okay.
upside down.
Which flavor will make it? This one? Ooh, it's actually packaged. How do we eat this? Let's say the instruction.
It's
Cute! Cheersy! Mmm. Good.
It's like ice cream inside.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Good?
Really good.
Ah.
Can I try yours?
You try yours? Mm-hmm. Yummy. Okay.
It has pink on it.
Okay.
Five cats rocking out right